Is he going to learn her? Spinning bike does that sometimes. I think I've run out of fuel. Yeah. That sounds like automated to me. As soon as you come off the high revs, it's gone.
Yeah, I didn't think about that.
And it's... I just took the spark plug out, cleaned all the crap.
And then, yeah, I didn't
So,
even think about suggesting that. It's one of them, ain't it? Something you don't never think about.
I thought worth a try, innit? I just sprayed it with WD-40.
Ooh. Yeah, that'll burn beautifully.
WD-40?
Yeah, all black.
I was going to take it for a quick spin around for a minute. Come back in a minute. I think I fixed it though. Sounds fine, feels fine. Right, so you should be seeing this. Hello guys. You should be seeing this directly after my camping trip video. I'm out today, knocking some things off, testing this bike out, because if you watched my last video, you'd have seen that this bike broke down. Why did it break down? Well, not entirely sure why. But it did it on the way back as well, but I just about got home in time, but I could feel it doing it, and it did have trouble idling, so I had to, like, the last couple of miles I was riding the clutch and keeping the revs up so it wouldn't cut out. Why did it do that? Well, when I did the oil change before I went away, so just before I went away I did an oil change, the only thing that changed, and I did push it quite hard as well, but I pushed the bike hard, and the bike, my mistake, I had put a little bit too much oil in there. How much is a little bit too much? That is one ice cream tub full of oil. Whoops. I think it was the oil, I hope it was the oil. So coming up next on the channel, well, the live streams have been going alright. I thank anyone who's popped in and said hi. Jobs, prospects. Now, I have been looking, but my brain just gets hurt because it's just fill out a form, hear nothing, fill out a form, hear nothing, fill out a form, hear nothing. Hopefully, by the time you're watching this video, I have sourced a part-time job. There's no job really going at the moment, so I might be able to get a part-time job just to tide me over a bit. This bike I'm sitting on right now, the rear tyre tread is 1.1 mil or something. It's very low, so I will be investing in a new rider now, a K60 soon, hopefully, and I will do a live stream of that when I go to change it. Depending on when you see this video, that might have already happened. I'm recording this, what's the date today? Beginning of October, 4th, 5th of October. So yeah, super special thanks to anyone who's popped in, donated, done the streaming stuff, because yeah, without it I definitely wouldn't be able to continue making these videos. I mean, rent and the bills and stuff, no, it doesn't pay for that, but it is paying for the petrol, and it is paying for, I think, a new tyre. That's what I'm going to need next, is a new tyre. So if you're watching this, I've even bought myself a new tyre, Or yeah, could have possibly made it if I really wanted to be cheeky, but I did not. Well then, I think this ride has been a success. I don't think I have that cutting out issue anymore, so I shall hope that doesn't do it again. Very exciting video this is. Stuck in traffic. Oh, see, this is why I'm probably going to have to go with the K60 Scout tyre again instead of off-road, because I use this bike for more than just off-road. This is literally my daily driver. If it's a red light up top, why are people rolling so much? This is insane. That is. You can't be bothered to why are you rolling up to the red light? What is wrong with these people? They're actually creating tailbacks. Okay, let's see if this can... And now we're about 2 weeks later since it broke down, and it's not been a problem since. I think it was me making that stupid mistake and overfilling the bike with oil. Always remember to fill up your bike on level ground. Whoops. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.